Hi and welcome to Data Analysis with Python Masterclass presented by EC Council. Let's have a look at what this course is all about. Most data analysis courses are programming heavy, where they focus on different operations that are used to analyze the data but do not provide the learner with a framework that could guide them with their data analysis assignments. We try to address this gap in our course. The first section introduces you to a data analysis framework which would help you in working on your future data analysis assignments. We also talk about why is Python our language of choice and the general course structure. The second section helps you in setting up your Python environment and install the Python Data Analysis Stack, which is a group of Python libraries used to work with data. The third section introduces you to NumPy, which is the scientific computing library of Python and is used for working with matrices. Then we look at Pandas, the go-to Python library for data analysis. It teaches you about how to load the data in Pandas and other important operations like filtering, sorting the data, etc. The next section helps in developing deeper expertise with Pandas by teaching you complex operations like grouping, reshaping, merging, etc. We would also learn data visualization in this section and generate beautiful plots using our data. The sixth and seventh sections are case studies, which have been included to give you the opportunity to work with real world data. We would be applying everything that we learn in the course on the Kaggle 2020 Machine Learning and Data Science Survey data, which has over 20,000 plus responses. In the first case study, we would be analyzing this data to build our data understanding and generate insights by asking questions and looking for their answers within the data. The second case study would see us dive deeper into the data to generate analysis which would help in the final decision making process for a business objective. These case studies give you a peek into the day-to-day job of a data analyst and how they help businesses in making smart data-driven decisions. Next, we would summarize everything that we learn in the course and we would also discuss the steps beyond this course. Before starting this course, let's look at some of the must-haves. We expect you to have basic knowledge of Python. We also expect you to be familiar with data structures like lists and dictionaries, as we would be dealing with only the Python data analysis stack in this course. If you do not fulfill this requirement, you could check out our Python crash course and come back to this one after that. Your computer should have at least 4 GB of RAM and 10 GB of free storage on the hard drive. Your processor should be i5 or above for best performance. We also assume you have internet access as you would be needing it to watch course videos and download the Python distribution. I hope you have great fun learning this course. So without further ado, let's get started.